Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earning disclaimer. AstroAI Tire Pressure Gauge Digital 0 to 150 psi, accurate in 0.1 increments, for setting stocking stuffers for car, truck, bicycle with backlight LCD and Presta valve adapter, sliver. Expert grade calibration. Each AstroAI tire pressure gauge is calibrated with professional grade tools, ensuring quick and accurate measurement results within ±1 psi. Stay prepared for any roadside emergency and travel with peace of mind. Seamless testing in dim areas. The AstroAI digital tire pressure gauge is equipped with an illuminated nozzle and backlit LCD screen. Use the illuminated nozzle to find the car valve stem in dim light. It easily forms a seal with the valve stem and gives accurate measurements. One device. For units, the AstroAI digital tire pressure gauge has 4 pressure measurements to choose from: 0 to 150 psi/0-10 bar/0-10 kgf/cm/0 to 1000 kilopascals. Press down the on/unit/off button once to switch units. Streamlined ergonomic design. This tire pressure gauge's ergonomic build ensures a comfortable grip that's easy to hold, while its compact design allows for convenient storage anywhere, such as glove boxes or compartments. Thanks for watching and subscribe.